Once you try my Momo's award-winning mac and cheese sauce, you're not going to want to make it any other way. Hi friends, it's Yolanda, your Austin Golden Girl. Today I'm sharing the mac and cheese sauce my mom made for us every holiday since I was a little girl. This is a gluten-free version that turned out so good no one would ever know it was gluten-free. Here are the ingredients: Velveeta cheese, 2 sticks of butter, gluten-free flour, and milk. All right, so here's the roux with the flour and the butter, and we're just going to keep on whisking it till the butter thickens a little bit and slightly changes to a darker shade. And here is a secret ingredient that brings it up a notch. 1 teaspoon of truffle oil is all you need. Whisk that truffle oil in. I've added my frozen milk here, about 2.5 cups of frozen milk. And now I am just going to be whisking it until it gets to a consistency that I want, which is going to be a little bit thicker than milk. As you can see, it's kind of thick in there. Now I'm adding the cheese. Here's the cubed Velveeta cheese. Just add it all in, cube by cube, without splashing yourself so you don't burn yourself. And it'll start to melt. Once it starts to melt, get in there before it burns on the bottom and start stirring it. Velveeta cheese is the key to this recipe, guys. I've tried all kinds of cheese, and this is the one that has worked the best and is the creamiest. While the cheese melts, let me tell you about my mom, Momo's mac and cheese. My mother made this every year for the holidays when I was growing up. It was a dish that every family member looked forward to. People would literally ask, is Momo making her mac and cheese this year? She even entered it into a contest years ago, and yes, it won first place. I don't know if this exact recipe is somewhere out there already, but this is how she made it, and this is the only mac and cheese I've ever really known. I've tried using more expensive cheeses before, and it's just not the same. It doesn't get that same creamy, cozy texture that you see right here. For Momo's mac and cheese, Velveeta is seriously the way to go. Look how beautiful this sauce turned out. It's smooth, glossy, and so creamy. This clip is a snippet of my 5-cup salad video that's linked here. But you can see in the background the pasta's cooling down. The smaller pasta in the glass bowl is the gluten-free, and in the big white bowl is the regular pasta. It's super important to cook your pasta al dente because you want to make sure it doesn't get sticky. Then toss it with plenty of butter or avocado oil so it doesn't get sticky while it sits or sits overnight in the refrigerator. What I'm going to do is the next day I'll just warm up the sauce, and I will warm up the pasta, and I will throw the sauce over the pasta, and it is ready to go and ready to serve. And here it is, all together on the plate. Momo's mac and cheese next to the prime rib that I make, plus the burgundy mushrooms, which all together taste absolutely divine. If you want to watch the video to the burgundy mushrooms recipe, I've already uploaded that to my channel, as well as the 5-cup salad recipe. That's another highly requested recipe during the holidays from my family. I just want to say thank you everyone so much for spending this time with me in my kitchen and allowing me to share a piece of my mom with you. If you make Momo's mac and cheese sauce, please let me know, and may leave a comment below and let me know if it was a hit with your family or not. But don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment, and that really, really helps my channel grow so much. Thank you, everyone. Sending hugs from my home to yours.